Good morning. My name is Akinyeli Imana, and I'm doing this video because I just noticed something very peculiar about this product I'm using, the dlight X1000 Solar Home System. I just got out of bed now, just woke up now, and I can see it is raining outside. And I came to my device, and imagine it's charging. Can you imagine that? Okay, now let's go and look outside to make sure to see or to confirm what I just said, that it is raining outside. Can you imagine that? dlight X1000 Solar Home System is charging while it is raining outside. Wonderful. Alright, let's look outside. Wonderful. This is not Photoshop, this is real, I'm telling you. Wonderful. So get your dlight X1000 Solar Home System now.